Hey guys, it's Danny. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm sharing just a quick happy mail idea with you guys. So I was at the Dollar Tree a while ago and I found this really fun 7-day pill reminder. It's like one that screws together, but I really love the rainbow colors of this and I thought it would be really fun to include in happy mail. So I'm going to turn this into a glitter mix holder. So let's go ahead and get started. So I've actually been waiting for a while to do this video and I've been hanging on to this thing because I knew it would be perfect for using with the Amy Tan on a Whim collection because like the colors are perfect and stuff. So this will go really well in one of my happy mails. So instead of doing like sequin mixes in here, I thought it would be kind of different and fun to use some of my glitter stash because as we all know, I've been struggling like a boss using up my glitters and things. So I dug through my little glitter drawer and pulled out some glitters that I thought would fill these up really nicely. And what I'm going to try to do is match the color of the glitter with the color of the little container because I thought that would be kind of fun. So I also have a pink and an orange here, a green and a yellow, and then a blue and a purple. This is showing up a little bit more blue on camera, but it is definitely a true purple. So some of these glitters are from Heidi Swapp. I think these were just from like the generic Michaels during Halloween or whatever, and then these ones are from Michaels as well. I'm not sure exactly what the name of the shape of glitter is, but I have several of these, so I thought I would use them. And then the Heidi Swapp ones are just like a regular chunky glitter. And it did just so happen that the colors of the glitter I had to fill these was alternating in shape. So that makes my little heart so happy. You have no idea. But anyway, enough chatting. Let's go ahead and start filling these up. So they just screw apart like that. So I think I'm just gonna start at the bottom and go from there. I don't even know if I've opened this one. Maybe I have? Oh, I have, okay, yay. So I think I'm just gonna carefully pour this in here. I'm gonna be pretty generous because I have a lot of glitter to share, let's be real. A lot of glitter. So that is the purple one. Attach that back on. Do the blue one next. So this one is a really pretty shreddy blue, which I think is fun. Again, I don't mind being generous with this stuff because I do struggle to use glitter and this helps me get it out of my stash, which is what I'm all about this year. So I have no issues sharing. Alright, green. And you can see what I mean when it goes from like a chunky glitter to the fine glitter and then back to the chunky glitter. So that whole kind of pattern will continue, which makes me very happy. Got a whole bunch of green in there. And who doesn't love, right, to get sparkly shinies in the mail? I mean, I know I certainly do. And if you're like me and you have a big stash of glitter or sequins or whatever, this is a really great way to share them. There we go. Glitter getting everywhere. Yellow. So I guess maybe this one they considered a red, but I'm actually just gonna put orange in here. So I'm just gonna do orange because I figure pink is kind of, it's not red, but it's kind of in the same color family. So let's do some orange. Alright, so pink is next. And then lastly, I have this really pretty white glitter. I think that one's really gorgeous. And you can see like how quickly that came together, right? Super fast. You could put like a little decorative something up there at the top. How fun is that, right? So I'm really excited to include this in some Happy Mail. I hope you guys enjoyed this idea. Definitely go check out the Dollar Tree, see if they still have these. I know where I'm going tomorrow. I'm gonna go see if they have more. But that is it for today's video. Again, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.